That's how you get around a zoo, and it's hot as balls. We hopping on the train. We hopping on the train. Hi, who did your hair? It's so lovely.
I did it.
Girl, bye. Any more zoos without trains? Like, this is the way you see a zoo. Do not sit and find me anywhere where there is not a royal carriage for me to see all the sights. Thank you.